As I was out walking one morning in May to view the fair valleys and mountains so gay, I was thinking on the flowers all going to decay that bloom around you, bonny, bonny Slieve-Gallen Braes. 'Tis not for the want of employment at home that causes the sons of old Ireland to roam, but the rates were getting higher and I could no longer stay. So farewell unto you, bonny, bonny Slieve-Gallen Braes. Tis often I'd wander with my dog and my gun. I've rambled these mountains for joy and for fun, but these days they are now over and I can no longer stay. So farewell unto you, bonny, bonny Slieve-Gallen Braes.